Hi, so we are going to continue for multinational banking. So part of it, first from the previous video is correspondent banking. We also have resident representative. This kind is quite repetitive. We are going to see this one again in chapter 2 actually. But it's okay, I'll explain over here. C adalah bank agencies. So bank agency is like a full-fledged bank in every aspect except that it does not accept deposit. So sama seperti fungsi bank yang asal. Untuk bank agency, mereka mewakili multinational banking tersebut secara full-fledged, betul-betul according to the originated bank yang asal. Yang ini dilantik oleh multinational banking tersebut lah. Maksud full-fledged dekat sini is not bukan sahaja trustworthy or responsible sepenuhnya. Maksudnya, yes, so they will follow whatever the decision had been made by the original multinational banking. So mereka menerima deals dalam money markets, forex markets, arrange loans, clear the bank or draft or checks for the bank, and channel the foreign funds into the financial market. Also concentrates on the arranging on long term loans for customers. Mereka juga membabitkan diri dalam long term loan untuk consumers yang original daripada multinational bank yang asal. Itu adalah bank agency yang dilantik oleh mereka. Untuk foreign banks adalah they also operating they operate like the local bank. Mereka beroperasi sama seperti local bank, except that the director and owners tend to reside as well. Okay, mungkin directors and owner of the bank tu duduk di luar negara, kan? So local banking rules at home. So sama, mereka follow whatever the country's rules and regulation. So apa saja dealings mereka akan incorporated dengan parent bank yang asal. So a foreign bank is obligated to follow the regulations of both the home and host country. Mereka kena follow dua-dua rules dan regulation di negara yang mereka beroperasi dan juga negara asal mereka. Also can offer more loans than a subsidiary bank and provide fast clearance of check. Contoh Standard Chartered, kan. Standard Chartered di Malaysia dia akan follow rules dan regulation yang ada di negara asal mereka dan juga rules dan regulation yang ada di Malaysia. Okay, for example. And foreign subsidiaries and affiliates. Foreign subsidiary pula adalah locally incorporated bank that happens to be either completely or partly by a foreign bank. Mungkin dimiliki secara bersama oleh local bank dan juga sebahagiannya oleh foreign bank. So foreign subsidiaries do all types of banking business as well. So foreign subsidiaries and affiliates ni mereka bekerjasama antara local dan juga foreign banks. Okay, so pelbagai jenis banking business sama seperti commercial bank biasa. Consortium banks are joint venture of larger commercial banks. So this consortium bank mereka bekerjasama dengan bank-bank yang lain membentuk satu consortium bank, kan? So primarily concerned with investment, arrangement of loans, and also underwriting stock and bonds as well. Itu adalah consortium bank. So consortium bank ni mereka combine together. Bank-bank yang dah ada, commercial bank tu mereka combine, bekerjasama membentuk satu Consortium Bank. Mungkin mereka tukar nama lah. Macam contoh sebelum ni FIN Islamic, Bank Islam, Bank Muamalat dan Maybank Islamic pernah join membentuk satu Consortium Banks lah. Consortium yang mana mereka panggil sebagai REIT Holdings. Right. Tapi mereka combine antara FIN Islamic, BIMB, Bank Muamalat dan Maybank Islamic. That is for a kind of example yang ada di Malaysia lah untuk Consortium Bank. So kita akan kenal lebih dekat dengan Consortium Banks in chapter 2. Ada sedikit lah about Consortium Bank. So in chapter 2 we will learn about commercial banking.